What is the Multi Lab Classic, and how does it compare to its predecessor, the Caleva Multi Lab? Both machines complete the same processes: mixing, extrusion, and spheronization. Batch sizes also remain the same, staying between 15 to 40 grams depending on your formulation. Both machines have an inbuilt timer and stopwatch function, and can turn powder to pellets in under 20 minutes. Now, let's move on to the improvements that the MLC holds over the CML. The quick release attachments present a significant time saving and improve ease of use for the operator. Each attachment can be assembled and disassembled without the use of any tools and are much easier to attach to the machine. Instead of having 3 separate safety guards, the MLC just has one, which is affixed to the machine, reducing clutter and improving access to benchtop space. The new simple touchscreen interface makes operation easy for users of any skill level. An online support section with tutorial videos and frequently asked questions is also available, which can be accessed using the QR code or link on the help screen provided with the MLC. Finally, the MLC, depending on hardware level, can be upgraded with a scientific software package to turn it into the Multi Lab Scientific, with extra capability such as data capture, recipe management, and automatic control. The MLC is the smarter, faster, easier to use version of the CML. If you would like to mix, extrude, and spheronize at a lab scale, then find out how the MLC can help to make your projects a success by visiting www.caleva.com/MLC.